If you like facial masks that are anti-aging, stay tuned. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. I'm looking at the brand DRMTLGY, spelled with no vowels, and in this video, I want to tell you about the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Now, I'm not a big mask person. I really don't have time for these more than once a week. And I don't have time for ones that have to sit on my skin or if they get all dry and that kind of thing. So I was really eager to try this one. One of the times I tried to order it, they were out of it. So it must be a popular product. So I ordered it the next time when they sent me an email saying it's back. So this is something they say you can use it 2 or 3 times a week and you leave it on for 10 minutes. And I like that it doesn't get overly dry. But let's look at some of the things that are in this and what it is designed to do. It has pumpkin fruit extract, vitamin E, colloidal silver, and jojoba beads, and some other really soothing types of ingredients in it. They say it reduces pore size, it hydrates, and it can help to cleanse. Now, I use it after cleansing, so I don't use it as a cleanser, but there are some properties in it, being the pumpkin, that it can help to cleanse your skin further and do a deep clean. Now, I think it was on their website that it said it smells like pumpkin. It doesn't smell like pumpkin. Pumpkin really doesn't have much of a scent. It smells a little bit like pumpkin pie spice. Now, that's a difference. If you watch some of my other videos, you know that I don't like scented products, and I can only handle unscented or very lightly scented products. This is one of those that's very lightly scented. So yeah, that pumpkin pie spice smell of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. That's what it smells like. So when you open it up, it does have one of those tops that you have to pull off, and then looking at it close up, you can see it has these tiny little beads in it, and it goes on the skin really nicely. You don't need a lot because it is quite thick, and I want to show you what it looks like going on my skin as well. I like to get a really nice coating, and you can see whatever I scooped out the first time was enough, and then I maybe need a little more for my chin and my forehead, but it smooths on really nicely. And then I just wait 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, it actually rinses off nicely. You can use a washcloth if you want to, but I found that I can just rinse it several times and dry off with a towel, and my skin feels really great. At that point, I'm ready for the rest of my skincare products. Now, I usually do this in the morning, so next are my serums and maybe some type of cream, and I'll use the DRMTLGY cream and then a sunscreen if it's daytime. In the description box below, I have a link to DRMTLGY, and if you use my link, you will automatically get 20% off your order every time you use this. This isn't a one-time shot. Every time you use my link, you'll get 20% off. If you don't know how to open the description box, if you're watching on a phone, you want to go below the video, and on the right side, there's a little V. Tap the little V, it opens the description box. If you're watching on a computer, go below the video, and on the left side, you'll see the word Show More. Click where it says Show More, and then that opens up the description box. But use that link. I mean, 20% off is a great amount to get off your purchase. You want to check out my other videos where I'm also reviewing other dermatology products by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, or tap the little eye in the upper right hand corner and you'll see a pop-up, and you can check out my reviews of other products as well. I think this is a great mask to try, and like I said, it's really popular right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.